the song. Thank you very much. Oh, it's on! Okay, okay. Sorry, I was looking at myself. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna sing a song. It's called whatchamacallit? It's called It Will Rain. Yep, by Bruno Mars. Yeah, it's one of my favorite songs.
I forgot the beat again.
Okay. Okay. And it's not gonna have lyrics, so I'm gonna be looking at the camera all the time. Isn't that cool, guys? Yeah, it's awesome. Oh. Okay. Alright, stuck it. If you ever leave me, baby. One second. Oh my god. Come on.
That's my boyfriend.
Oh my god. Ew. The fuck? That's my boyfriend. Oh. Okay. Ready? If you ever leave me, baby, leave some muffin at my door. 'Cause you take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have and don't ever anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I've making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear sky if I lose you, baby. Just look the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, everything will rain, rain, rain. That's all I'm gonna sing for you guys. Sorry. Oh, I didn't look at the camera. My bad. I wanted to shoot a video. But I'm gonna go now. I need to get off. Not mine.